Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today you have to learn how to make Mother's Day card. I have to decide to make Mother's Day card. It should be heart shaped with tulip flower because heart is a symbol of love and affection, and we are showing our love with our mothers. Things are required: piece of hard chart paper, colored rims, scissor, glue, pencil. So let's start our work. First step, take a red color piece of chart paper, fold it into half like this, trace heart shape on it. I have a stencil of heart. I'm using this. Look, then I'll cut it. Be careful while you are using scissor. You can hurt with scissor, so be careful while you are using scissor. Look at this. This is half heart. I'll open it. It is full heart. I need one more heart with white color. I'm going to take white color. Again, I'll fold it into half and then trace small heart because we will put inside of it. So it should be small, smaller than red one. I'll trace it again. But I will cut it 1 inch distance, like this. It will cut a small size. So I will paste it inside of red one, glue it, and put inside of the red one. Press it neatly. Now this is heart shaped card. I will fold it like this. Step 2. Step 2 is to decorate this card. So this purpose, I will make a tulip flower. I'll use different color rings. First, I'll take green color for making stem and leaves, and petals we will use two different color, light pink and dark pink. So first I'll cut stem. I'll trace it and cut it. Then I'll trace leaves. I want 2 leaves, so I will trace 2 leaves over there. I will fold the paper and cut it. I will got 2 leaves at a time. Now the time to paste the stamp over there. Glue a stamp. At the middle of the card, start from the bottom. Glue two leaves, both side. Glue two leaves beside the stem. Now, I will make petals. I'll take a dark color sheet and fold it. I will draw the tulip flower, half tulip flower first. I have a stencil. I'll use that tulip flower stencil. Trace it quickly and cut them. I want more flower, so I will cut again and fold the paper two times, so I will got two tulip flowers. Be careful, cut very neatly. Now you have to paste light and dark one by one. This is dark color and I have cutting of light color, so I'll use and paste like this. One by one I will paste 5 tulip flowers with each other. Now look at this. 3D flower is ready. Pasting. Okay, there one more. Press it and then open it. Look at this. 3D flower is ready. Now time to paste inside of the heart-shaped card. Now first you will put a glue one end and you have to paste it on the top of the stem like this. And then glue on the other end and press the card half like this and set for a while and open it. Look at this one, a beautiful pretty card. 3D card is ready.